Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Tabby Violet. This title of the video is not clickbait. Unfortunately, my bag from Louis Vuitton did melt. Okay, so I am gonna start off with a story real quick, just a brief background, and then I'll show you the bag. So we moved from Colorado to Hawaii a couple months back, and I have a good collection of luxury bags. Not a lot, not too little, but enough where I don't want to mail all of them, nor did I want to ship all of them over the ocean. So we basically sold 80% of and got rid of and donated 80% of like our household goods, like very minimal, which if you guys are interested in finding out how I did that and how was it, because yeah, I pretty much got rid of all my closet and pretty much everything in my house. So very minimal closet now. We came with the suitcase, okay? So I wasn't ready to sell my bags, so I put half of my bags in the boxes, like the storage chests, and then we put it in a pod, and that got shipped over here just in case they were to lose it or something were to steal it or something. Though half of the bags were there, and I know this is all first world problems. Yeah, if it happens, it's not a big deal. And then again, this bag melting is, I mean, it sucks, but in the grand scheme of things, it's really, I mean, very minute compared to what could happen. But then the other half of it, I put in my luggage. I put one bag, like my Chanel GST, in my luggage, and then stuffed it with my Chanel Diana bag, and then I put another one in a carry-on with my daughter's luggage. And then my oldest daughter, who's 14, carried this bag that melted, the Speedy. I'll show you in a little bit the details. The Speedy 25, with her as her carry-on, like little like purse. And then I had my LV Bosfor backpack, and then my LV Speedy monogram. And so, and then like all my little SLGs. So basically I was trying to be smart and like spreading everything out. Now, what had happened is that it's not a quick trip. So going to Hawaii, Colorado, Hawaii, I mean, you have 2 airplanes. It's pretty much a whole day process. So my daughter put all her things inside this. She's very responsible. And she was also wearing a white sweatshirt, which I'll show you in a little bit. It still has all the melting pieces, like the melting whatever it is, on her sweater. So it basically destroyed her sweater. But we didn't realize this until later, until when we're unpacking. So so let me show you what the bag looks like. Okay, so I've already had issues with this bag before. If you click on the video up here or in the description box, I actually had to get this bag replaced because if you guys don't know, a lot of the Emperor Speedy bags, their glazing would melt or it would come off, and I was having issues with that on the first strap. So I went in 2 years ago or so and got it replaced with a new strap, and they did that for free, although they never took the old strap away. So I didn't want to use the new strap on the trip flying over here, so I had my daughter use the old strap, which is fine, but I'm gonna show you what I mean by glazing melting. So I can't complain about this one because, well, I mean, I guess I could, because this is basically the old, like the glazing melted off and is showing the inside, like it's basically leather inside of this. It is horrendous. Now this is, keep in mind, this is the old glazing before I got it replaced. I was just using this for travel purposes. So, and there's even hair stuck on it because the glazing is so sticky. I mean, it's literally, this is like crazy. So, okay, we already know the quality sucked on the LV Speedy Emperor several years back when I bought this, I think 7 years ago or so. So, so the new strap, obviously, I don't have any issues because I didn't use it on the airplane, but I think they fixed it, so they say. Okay, so now I never had issues on the handles before because I didn't really, I mean, I just didn't. And I sometimes had, I don't know why I didn't, I don't know. But this, all the glazing, you can like basically pull off the glazing off the bag. Like I can I don't want to pull it off, but it's like pretty much like clay. Look, you see that glazing right there? And then on this side, oh my gosh, the glazing has melted so much. You can, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but right here you can almost see to the leather. So, and it's all around, and I'm like devastated. I mean, it's fine because yeah, it's just a bag, but the bag melted on us. Now, I don't know if it's because Colorado's super dry and then we went on an airplane, it's cooler, and then we went to Hawaii, which was humid, but this whole process like happened while we were traveling from Colorado to Hawaii on the airplane. I'm gonna grab the sweater real quick and show you what it looks like because yeah, I'll be right back. So I'm back, and I wonder if I should like take this to Louis Vuitton. And obviously guys, I'm here to share my experience, and I would love your advice on what I should do. My biggest like thing that I've been avoiding this is, first, obviously because we didn't have our vehicle here, it was shipped from the mainland to here, and it's here now, so we're gonna go in. But the second thing was that I'm like I guess low-key, or like if I really want to analyze it, I'm afraid of rejection. As from Louis Vuitton, like I'm afraid that since I bought this bag 7 years ago, they're gonna tell me that I have to pay like a lot to get the glazing or this bag repaired, or they're just gonna be like, oh well, that's on you, well I'm not gonna do anything about it. I mean, so I'm kind of nervous about that, but then I just need to confront it and get it like fixed, because this bag ain't cheap. It's like $2,000 something, so it's crazy. But let me show you what's on the bag, on the sweater. So you can see on her sweater there's a little bit of glazing like right there, then there's some right right there, and then all in the front. Okay, so it's not that much, but I mean, it's still like kind of rubbed off on the sweater. I mean, and she did love this sweater, you know? And then there's some in the front. So the point is that she was carrying an expensive bag, and it melted on her. So I'm pretty bummed about it. I don't know what's gonna happen, to tell you the truth. I'm gonna bring it to the Ala Moana Mall here. We have a Louis Vuitton store here, and I'm going to show them and just say like, it melted during travel. I don't know what to say. I'm hoping that they will just repair it for free, or I kind of hope that maybe I can get store credit. I really like the Empreinte bum bag a lot, belt bag. So that's definitely an option. I'm hoping that I can get store credit, but if they end up fixing it for free, that would be better. Worst case scenario, I'm gonna have to pay for it to get repaired, but I mean, during travel, my bag should not be melting on me. So yeah, just sucks. So that's it, guys. Yeah, that was my little like story time, and my basically what had happened, and the update. I'm gonna give you guys an update on the bag after whatever happens. And so if you want to see what happens to this bag, how I get it fixed, what happens, then definitely click the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video because it really helps me a lot. And also, if you want to see a video on how my Speedy 30 monogram and how my LV Boss 4 backpack was as a travel bag, then I'll leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to do a video on that. And then that is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, this is not here to be negative or complain. It's just to share my experience and to let you guys know how my bag melted. It is all good, guys. But I will see you in another video. I'll talk to you later. Bye.